Wilmington just surprise attacked me since I came in here with a flood warning for Fairfield and Hocking. So, I want to see how this goes. I literally have to hold this thing, my hand over this thing's speaker for when they do tone it. Here's KIG86. Yeah, you just still blabbing about winter storm warnings.
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected where southern Fairfield counties of Ohio wind until 10 p.m. Thursday. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 3:59 p.m. Radar indicated prolonged moderate rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warm area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5 inches are possible. Some locations that may experience flooding include Lancaster, Logan, Nelsonville, Bremen, Murray City, Sugar Grove, Enterprise, Rockbridge, Hendersonville, Alboro, Union Furnace, South Bloomingville, and Greater Clearport. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood depths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
In 15 minutes, and KIG86 has just been stalling it with messages and everything. And I still haven't went yet. Because I know I always want to do it after the conditions. Weather conditions, and they haven't played the weather conditions in 15 minutes because they've been doing the current alerts and the nearshore forecast and the normal forecasts. 20 minutes now. Are you freaking serious? Bruh. Finally.
Flood warning in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where Hocking and southern Fairfield counties in Ohio wind until 10 p.m. Thursday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 3:59 p.m. Radar indicated prolonged moderate rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5 inches are possible. Some locations that may experience flooding include Lancaster, Logan, Nelsonville, Bremen, Murray City, Sugar Grove, Enterprise, Rockbridge, Hendersonville, Alboro, Union Furnace, South Bloomingville, Haydenville, and Clearport. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical.
Alright, for context, this warning was issued, let me get up to Cleveland. This warning was issued at 4:01 p.m. It's 4:27 and they just now toned it.